rahmatullahi alayhi writes in his book, the deceptions of Shaitan, that one of the deceptions and tricks of Shaitan is that he makes you delay. Procrastination, as we call it. He makes you procrastinate. And don't do it right now. You have all the time in the world. Don't worry about it. So Shaitan has made our minds such that every time we turn to Allah, he tells us, no, not right now. Let's go back to what you're doing. And we play a part in this trick. Because when we see youngsters doing ibadah, or we see youngsters coming to the masjid, I remember my own story. When I started reciting Quran, when I was becoming a hafiz, at the age of 15, people will tell me, you're becoming too extreme, you're reading too much Quran, you're becoming too religious, you're praying too much, this isn't you. We play a part in this procrastination. We play a part in this delay. Our youngsters have a mindset that the only ones who come to the masjid on a daily basis are our elders. The only person who's supposed to read Quran are our elders. The only one who's supposed to get up at tahajjud are our elders. The only one who's supposed to sit in the corner with the tasbih and doing zikr are our elders. Children, you don't need to do tasbih. You don't need to read Quran. You don't need to do tahajjud. This life is short. We hear so many stories of 15-year-olds leaving us. We hear so many stories of 18-year-olds. We don't need to go far. You can find it within America. You can find it within Atlanta. Now youngsters left this world. It breaks your heart. But does it wake you up? The ummah is dying. We're telling our children it's not that important. Get back to your education. I'm not saying your education is not important. I'm saying make your mind such that you keep Allah involved at all times.